Now the public is not asking for answer but for an explanation. Sharp question from son of Malla showed his attitude. In politics, if a party is unable to win a seat in the election, then it makes a plan to bring MLAs and MPs to its side, which is known in political circle as buying and breaking MLAs. In Bihar, Mukesh Sahni accuses BJP of the same, and he has been hurt by this attack from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Whoever breaks a party on brings an MLAs to his side. A different level of political fight is going on between them. Mukesh Sahni has this fight with BJP at the moment, but along with this, Mukesh Sahni is seen constantly fighting for the Mallah caste. People of Mallah caste do not call him son of Mallah for nothing. Mukesh Sahni represents the Nisad community in Bihar. He is seen speaking in the interest of Nisad community from various platforms. This time again, Mukesh Sahni has made a big attack on BJP. He has asked many sharp questions and show his tough attitude. He has said that what did not happen to his allies, how will it happen to the country? We gave them power and we were looted. Mukesh Sahni has said that when will the Mallahs get reservation? When will the migration of Bihar's youth stop? Let us tell you that only poor families migrate in Bihar, and in this migration people from lower caste are more, which also included Nisad community. Mukesh Sahni has also asked a tough question on the safety of women. The condition of Bihar has become such that Operation Sindoor, which is going on against the terrorists, a demand has been made to the Modi government to run Operation Sindoor in Bihar as well. It is clear that people in Bihar have lost faith in the Nitish government. Till when will the liberals of Bihar keep going to other states under compulsion to work? When will industries be set up in Bihar? When will Bihar get permanent employment? This Mallah community filled the Modi government with votes. What did they get? Son of Mallah Mukesh Sahni has also said that we had given hug support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the last election and helped him return to power. But in return, BJP broke 3 of our MLAs and left us partyless. He asked that the one who could not be of his allies, how will he be of the country?